What are you doing? What's all that money?
Money?
Is it all yours?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Huh. It's a lot of money. Oh, don't scare Kitty.
Sit.
Poor Kitty. Aiden.
What?
Well, you're scaring Kitty.
Huh?
You're scaring Kitty.
The skunk.
Oh, poor Kitty. Huh? Poor Kitty. Right?
Here.
Well, why do you want to scare her?
Scared?
Yeah, that's scary.
Sit.
It scares the kitty. Right? Shooting the kitty scares her. Would you want somebody to do that to you? Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah? You sure about that?
Sit.
You gotta... Well, you're demolishing that pretty good. Is that fun?
Yeah.
You killing it?
Sit.
Well, don't scare Kitty.